Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and the question that is being asked is, how do I find my assignment due dates on Canvas? I do want you to notice on the Canvas dashboard that there is a scrolling list on the right, but it's kind of a mishmash of both of the classes that I'm taking. I want to know individually what's due and when it is due. So I want to click on the class of interest. I did ask permission from my teacher to use her likeness in this video. Yay! The first thing I do is check grades. When I scroll down, by the way, it's March 21st today, I have a final draft literature review due tomorrow on March the 22nd. No grade has been awarded. So let's check that. Notice that I have already submitted something. It says resubmit assignment. If I wanted to look at that assignment and make sure that everything is good to go, I could click on that and look at it, but I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to let that roll. Let's go back to grades for just a moment. Notice that on March 29th, I have a digital storyboard coming up. I have a script on the 5th and so forth. Well, how do I know what I need to do to get to the point of accomplishing those goals? The next thing I would do is click on modules. When I click on modules, there we go. There is the one that's due tomorrow, the Common Assignment Research paper. I've already submitted that. I'm good to go. And by the way, there's my digital storyboard coming up on March 29th. And so if I click on week 11, this will get me started to progress toward that goal. And when I click on it, it says it's locked until tomorrow. So basically, I've done everything I can do. I have checked this out. This makes me really happy. And so the thing that I would say to summarize is that if I want to see my due dates, click on the class in Canvas, and then click on grades first and then modules second, and I think that will accomplish the goal in your mind. Be well. Keep doing the good things you do. This is Brother Barnes. Keep coming back.